Hello everyone. So in this video we'll install Docker Desktop on Windows. So before we install the Docker Desktop, for those who are new to Docker, just have a quick introduction. What is Docker? Then Docker is a containerization platform that changes the way that we develop software. It packages the applications and their dependencies into a lightweight portable containers. This ensures your app runs consistently across any environment from development to production. Docker enables the fast deployment, easier scaling, and eliminates the old problem. It's called it works on my machine. So now let us try to understand what is exactly the Docker Desktop. So Docker Desktop is a complete development environment for containerization. It provides an intuitive GUI to manage containers, images, and volumes. It includes Docker Engine, CLI, Compose, and Kubernetes in one package. With built-in developer tools, extension, and cross-platform support, Docker Desktop makes container development effortless and accessible for all the developers. Now first go to the Google and just search for Docker Desktop download. Okay, and you will see this link, install Docker Desktop on Windows, and here you just download Docker Desktop for Windows. You can also use the Windows Store for the same. You can see Docker Desktop for Windows using the Microsoft Store. Okay, so until that it's getting download, first we need to make sure that you have to add or remove. You have to go to the add or remove, and then you'll have to enable the either the hypervisor or WSL. So we'll just go with the WSL. So I just simply say let's search for um, and just go to here, turn off Windows features on and off, and search for WSL for that is a Windows subsystem for Linux. Click here and click OK, and it will ask you for restarting of the Windows. Okay, after applying the changes, it will ask you uh, the restarting Windows. Once you restarted the Windows, then you can see that Windows subsystem for Linux is available. So now you can go ahead with the Docker Desktop installer. So I'll just click over there. So it will ask you for installation, and now just click on this OK, and it will start installing. So this will take some time, so wait for some time. So once the installation is completed, it may ask you for Windows restart again. So close and restart. So once you restart, you'll find this Docker Desktop shortcut. Just click over here and click on this accept. It may ask you for signing. You can either use the work email address, or either you can click on the Google if you have Google Gmail. So I'll just go with my Gmail account, and I'll just sign in with the Gmail account. Okay. Once you sign it, it will show you the message you are almost done, and proceed to Docker Desktop, or you can see open over here, and will again go back to your Docker Desktop window. Sometimes if the Docker is not running, it can ask you for WSL needs updating. So just copy it and open this any command line and just run as an administrator, and just paste this command. So it may ask you if something message like occurs, then it will also ask you updating Windows subsystem for Linux version. So you just click on a key and it will update it. This occurs sometimes. Sometimes it's a very easy direct installation, depends upon the WSL version. Install it on your machine. So don't worry about it. If it is required, you can just update it and it will work. Once it is done, just restart your Docker Desktop, and you can see starting the Docker engine. And then perfect, you are running. Containers show up here, and you can see uh, this is just a window of WSL. If you are able to see, so what WSL is perfectly updated, you can close over here and you can play with the Docker Desktop. So you can have here, if you can see, there are lots of controls. The Kubernetes also there. You have MCP toolkits. So lots of update happened on the new Docker desktop. So make sure that you either update or install the new Docker desktop version. You can also here in the bottom side, you can check with this terminal, and it will open the terminal. Just click on this enable um, terminal and you can start it. So let's now play with it. And if you want a different theme, then you can here, you can see this dark theme, light theme, you can see it. Okay. So now let's go to this terminal, and I simply say docker run hello world. Okay. Now let's see. Because we do not have any sort of image, and if you are able to see here, then yeah, perfectly everything is working. You can also check the docker version command, and everything is working. Okay. All right. So in this way, we have successfully installed the Docker desktop on Windows. All right. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.